E tuke mag okapu lig maduong' pacho ka tim ma Nairobi City Thunder nolo tim mar Kenya Ports Authority points 8-73 tugo mana obagi alap ma Nyayo Stadium Gymnasium ka timbe laro thuolo mar yudo loch giko season. KPA ma oseito tuke ariyo kende season ni nochako tugo matek kendo yudo loch e kuota mokwongo points 25 kuom 16 kapok City Thunder yudo loch e kuota mar ariyo points 11 kuom 8. Kuota mar adek no bedo maromre bang' timbe ariyo lo points 18 kuom 18. Kuota mar ang'wen no bedo maliet ka tugo no rumo ka timbe goromre points, kata kamano Thunder noyudo loch e kuota mane omedi.
Very exciting game. It wasn't a great game. I feel like we really didn't play up to our standard. We missed a lot of shots that we normally make. But honestly, credit to them. I think they came ready. They really wanted to beat us. I think they did some good things. They really rebounded the ball well. When we weren't blocking them out, they got a lot of second opportunities. But yeah, I mean, I think we generally expect ourselves to play a lot better than we did today.
We did some good things on the floor, but at some point in time, we were not able to keep the momentum, especially in the fourth quarter. We did a great job in the third quarter resisting the pressure, but when we came back in the fourth quarter, for some reason or another, we cracked. We cracked at some point in time that forced an overtime. Then I think we just couldn't put pieces